Hi there, it's Lynn. Welcome back to my channel. I'm popping in today to do my draw for my June Scrappy Scraps and Strips challenge. So this is a monthly challenge hosted by me at Contenter Crafts. So this is a fun little challenge where you can get to use up your scraps and strips of card and paper that would probably otherwise go into the bin. I would love it if you would consider joining in and you would get the chance to use up your scraps and strips. If you would like to join in, the challenge is open UK and internationally, and all you would need to do is use the hashtag Scrappy Scraps and Strips and tag me in at Contenter Crafts. If you would like to join in and you don't have a YouTube channel, you can send me your makes and I will pop them up onto my community post and share what you have made. Also, at the end of the month or the beginning of the new month, I hold a little draw and choose a winner. So why not think about joining in my hashtag Scrappy Scraps and Strips? It's a great way to save little pieces of scrap paper and strips of paper and card heading off to the bin. You can create fabulous little things like this lovely paperclip embellishment from your leftover scraps. Here I've turned my scraps into strips, popped them onto my paperclip, added this cute little glittery sparkly butterfly, a little gem in the top corner, and I added some chain at the bottom and pop these cute little hearts there, and there you have a beautiful paperclip embellishment. Now, isn't that much nicer and a much better way to save your scraps and strips and create another project using them all up? I will also share my make for June. So here I turned my little scrap pieces of paper into strips and created this Choose to Shine sunflower card. Do check out my video. I will leave a link in my description box below. So yeah, this is something else that we can create with our scraps and turn them into strips. So that is my make for June, using my scraps and turning them into strips. So just before I go onto my draw, I had 9 ladies taking part in my Scrappy Scraps and Strips challenge for June. I have a new lady joining in, Celeste, and Celeste's channel is A Crafter's Story here on YouTube. Welcome, Celeste, to my Scrappy Scraps and Strips challenge. Thank you so much for joining in. I also had Gina at Perfectly Imperfect Junk Journals, Andrea the Cumbrian Crafter, Sabina at Cross Keys Crafts, Anne at Zenfully Crafty, Margaret Flaxman and Celia Hitchman. I've also got Jenny at Jenny's Crafty Corner and Christine at Christine's Cards and Things. I've loved all of the makes for this month. Everyone's is also different. Although we all use scraps and strips, there are no two makes the same. Everyone puts their own spin on their make, and they are all absolutely beautiful, amazing makes. Thank you so much, ladies, for joining in. I do really appreciate you all. So here we go. I'm just going to move my card. If you did 2 makes or more, I've added you twice into my little heart-shaped tin. So I've got all of the ladies in there. So for June, it is 3 winners I need to choose. So I'm just going to give it a little shake around. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. I'm going to flip the lid like that, and I'm going to pick one there, and I'm going to pop my hand in again and pick another one, shake around, and then pop my hand in for the third time. So the first winner I have is Margaret Flaxman. Congratulations, Margaret. Well done. My second winner is Andrea the Cumbrian Crafter. Congratulations, Andrea. Well done. And my third winner is Celia Hitchman. So congratulations, ladies. I will pop a little something in the post for you. Thank you ever so much to everyone who has joined in my challenge. And like I said earlier, if you would like to join in, if you use the hashtag Scrappy Scraps and Strips and tag me in at Contenta Crafts, and that way I will see your makes. So yeah, thank you once again, and well done to my lovely 3 winners here: Margaret Flaxman, Andrea the Cumbrian Crafter, and Celia Hitchman. Well done, ladies. So yeah, there we go. That is my draw for my June challenge. I will be back again very soon. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take good care of yourselves and see you soon. Bye bye for now.